Hello guys, today I'm going to show you all the top tricks of your JBL Partybox on the Go 2. The first, the most important thing is that here, as you can see, we do have the app. That's the very important thing because we can modify the settings like equalizer, LED lights, etc. in our phone, which is actually every single time in our pocket. So we need to have everything here. We don't really need to focus on the buttons. What button does something, we don't really need to learn the gestures. Yes, they are here, we can do everything actually using the buttons, but the app is useful. Not every single application, not every single speaker on the market has its own application. So, it's just a thing that we can appreciate. So, apart from the app, if we open this app, we have here. But you know what? I need to be connected to my speaker, of course. Now, as you can see, I am here, light control. And as you could hear me mentioning LED lights. Yes, here we do have LED lights. LED lights are maybe not some kind of a useful top trick, but we can make our party maybe better, more, cozy with the LED lights that we, for example, like. We can modify them here in the settings. Apart from that, here we have the effect lab. We can just play with the effects that are done into the application.
Everybody, put your hands in the air!
I have no idea why it's here, but we can play with that. Apart from that, if we scroll a little bit down, we can see not the equalizer, not bad boost, because these are the basic ones. Here, product settings. Here, as I can see, we do have where was that? I think it's only available for the Android phones. The All-E Bluetooth connection mode. It improves very much the Bluetooth connection and the sound quality, so I think that we can actually say this is a top trick of your device. And as the final thing, I can say that if you go back a little bit, you can see a section called mic effect. I don't have my mic plugged in now, but yes, you can see that. You can do karaoke, etc. And that's it for this video. Goodbye.